Hi, for those of you wanting a video on how to rinse off your coil, we're just going to use a standard garden hose spray head. And we're just going to start at the top. As you can see, the system is on. It doesn't matter if it's on or off. And we just kind of go in an up and down motion. Then I come down to the next side. And just keep washing it down. Go to the next. Very simple. If you have slats on it that has an angle to it, you may have to do your garden hose on an angle, so that way it shoots into coil. But this particular style, there's nothing blocking it, so I can just be straight on with it. And just kind of just go up and down each little row. Once I get this whole side done, I'll sit there and go to the next side. And obviously there's all four sides. And I'll just keep going around and going until I get the whole entire system done. And that will keep our coils clean.